In this video, let us look at joins. So let us create the tables table 1 and table 2. Create table SQLBasics.dbo.table1 ID integer null name and varchar of 50, and create table SQLBasics.dbo.table2 ID integer null name and varchar of 50 null. Let us create these two tables, and if I right click, refresh, so table 1 has been created with ID and name, and table 2 has been created ID and name as fields. Now let us insert some values into this. So I'm inserting into SQL basics.dbo.table1 values, 1 for ID, A for name. So like that I'm giving 2B, 3C, 4D and null and then Z. So if I execute this, the rows will be inserted, and if I go down and insert into table 2 these values. Now let me select from table 1 SQLBasics.dbo.table1, execute. So it has got 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D and null G, and in table 2 1A, 2B, 3C, 5E and null F. So now I want to join these tables. So there is 3 ways you can join these tables: inner join, left join, right join, and there will be a full outer join which will join both the tables. All the records from both the tables will be displayed there. So basically let us see this left join. First of all, let us see this inner join. Inner join is matching records from both tables. So what are the matching records from both tables? 1A, 2B and 3C. So in this table also we have 1A, 2B and 3C. So non-matching records are these two are non-matching records. So if you use an inner join, then it will display only the matching records. So let us select ID and name from SQLBasics.tbo.table1. I am giving it as the name as A. It's an alias name for this table 1A, and I am inner joining it with SQLBasics.tbo.table2 and giving it as a name as B. So the alias name for table 2 is B. So I'm joining them on IDs. On A.id is equal to B.id. So ID is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. 4 doesn't match with 5, and null, even though there are two null values, one null is not equal to other null. So only the first 3 records match. So let us see what the result is after I execute this. 1A, 2B and 3C. So inner join gives matching row records from both tables. Now what is left join? Left join, all records from table on the left and matching records from table on right. So what are all records from table on the left? It is 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D and null G. What are the matching records on table on the right? So if I am giving table 2 as the right, on the right side of the query, 1A, 2B, 3C are the matching record. So left join gives all records from the table on the left and matching records from table on the right. So the same query, I am taking a.id, b.name and b.id, b.name. So from the right table also I am taking here the id and name just to show those they are representing as null values. On aid is equal to b.id. So let us execute this. See, on the left table, id and name, this is the left table, and id and name, this is the right table. So 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D, null G. That's what is there in the table 1. If you see the table 1, that's what is there in the table 1. The left join gave all the records from table 1 because table 1 we have taken it on the left side of the query. Table 1 is on the left side of the query, and from the right side the table 2 we got the matching records 1A, 2B and 3C, and for 4D and null G it is showing null because there is no matching record on the right table. What is right join? Right join is all records from table on the right and matching records from table on left. So all records on table on right is 1A, 2B, 3C, 5E and null left, and matching records will be ABC. So if I execute this on matching on the IDs, see, I got all records from the right table 1A, 2B, 3C, 5E, null left, and only matching records on the left table 1A, 2B, 3C. That's what right join is. What is full outer join? All records from table on the left, all records from table on the right. So we get all the records both from left table and the right table. So you can just give it as outer join or full outer join. The table on the left is table 1, table on the right is table 2. So let us execute this. So we got all records on the left 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D and null G. And table on the right we got 1A, 2B, 3C, 5E and null F. So for records which are not there it is showing it as null, and same is the case here on the left table. So these are the joins, the most important joins in SQL Server. Now let us look into Cartesian product. Let's check the tables again. We have the table 1, 2, 3, 4 and null A, B, C, D, G. 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D, null G. What is table 2? 1, 2, 3, 5 null A, B, C, E, F. 1A, 2B, 3C, 5E, null. So in case of a Cartesian product, each and every column here matches with each and every column here. Let us see the Cartesian product now. Cartesian product. Select from SQL basics dot table 1. I'll give it an alias name A, and then Cartesian product we can give it with cross join. and here I'll take SQL basic dot dbo dot table 2. So now we'll select the columns here. A dot id, A dot name, B dot, I'll name this table 2 as B. Now B dot id, B dot name. So let us do this. Let me order by, so it will be more clear. Order by A dot id, comma A dot name. Execute. So we have got this null G, and right side table we have got 1A, 2B, 3C, 5E, null F. So null G is associated with 1A, 2B, null G 3C, null G 5E, null G null F. And we go to 1A, 1A, 1A is again for 2B, 1A is 3C, 1A is 5E, 1A is null F. So 1A is for 1A, 1A is 2B, 1A is 3C, 1A is 5E, 1A is null F. Similarly 2B, 1A, 2B, 2B, 3C, 2B, 5E, 2B null F. So each and every set here is connected with each and every set here. So that's how this Cartesian product we define. So you have total 25 rows here. If you like the video, please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. For notifications on upcoming videos, please click on the bell icon.